Between midnight and 5 a.m., guys, where we could see a few storms, and the main threat is gusty winds. Of course, some heavy rain and some large hail is a possibility as well. Outside right now, it is cloudy, but it's dry. Radar, it's pretty quiet. Take a look at a live shot over downtown San Antonio. You can't see the skyline because more moisture is in our air. Dew point is right around 61, which again, it's more humid, but not as tropical as we typically are in the summertime. But it is setting up the stage for some rain overnight. 65 at Stinson, 64 at the airport, and temperatures across the metro, not bad, not cold. 59 at Boerne, a little chilly up farther north into the hill country. You can see it 58 at Fredericksburg. Similar numbers in Rock Springs and Real County, Edwards County, and out west towards Del Rio, where temperatures are hovering right around the upper 50s and lower 60s. Okay, so overnight tonight, the Weather Service has issued this right here, not for Bexar County. San Antonio is not included in this, but notice out west from Bandera County, up farther northwest into the hill country, severe thunderstorm watches are in effect until 4 a.m. And that's the timing. Between midnight and 4 a.m. is when they could see a few strong and severe storms that could produce some hail. At the moment, though, it's quiet, but farther northwest you go, you can see some more action as this area of low pressure moves farther east towards New Mexico, where, by the way, they've seen a ton of snowfall in the higher elevations the past couple days. Now, the same system, as it moves across North Texas, will send us waves of energy into San Antonio, which why we have a severe storm threat. We have some upper level support. We have the humidity in place. That's all setting up the stage for, again, some rain overnight. Now, San Antonio, a level 2 out of 5. That's a slight risk for some, scattered rain, maybe a storm that does produce some hail, up to quarter size. Winds on the range of 40 to 60 miles an hour from the outflow from these storms. And then we can't rule out isolated tornadoes. It is the lowest threat we're looking at, but there are storms that form tonight. There will be storms that form tonight that will be strong in nature. Notice at 3 a.m. tomorrow morning in the pre-dawn hours, while most of you guys are asleep, it moves through Kerrville, Fredericksburg, through Bandera County, and most of it weekends, at least, turns into a broken line of showers and storms by 4 and 5 a.m. So I will say anywhere north of Highway 90, and especially in the hill country, the highest threat for rain and thunderstorms that could be severe in nature. This will move towards Austin by 6 a.m. That could produce some hail. That could be very strong to severe, but notice it moves out very quickly. Skies clear, and for the rest of Super Bowl Sunday, it's quiet and it is sunny. And how much rain are we looking at in the hill country? In some areas, in these thunderstorms could produce up to a ½ inch of rainfall. In some localized pockets, a little bit more. Tomorrow will be breezy. Winds will be moving around 25 to 30 miles an hour. It is opening weekend for the rodeo, so if you're heading out there, temperature is right around 70. Winds a little breezy, and our next system arrives next week around Thursday and Friday, which would be our next chance for some rain. 7-day forecast tomorrow, 68. Beautiful day, but it will be breezy. Just keep that in mind if you're hosting any outdoor events or parties in the backyard. Winds will be near 25 to 30, 64 on Monday, near 70 on Wednesday, with another chance at rain Thursday and Friday with highs in the middle 60s.